Hi, I'm Sam. Here are a couple ways to film slow motion on the Sony A7S III. Hi. Open the menu and scroll down to the red tab with the film strip, the shooting tab. Then go down to item number 1, image quality/rec. Go to the right and on page 4 out of 53, go to movie settings. Then select rec frame rate. From here, you can choose the frame rate that you'd like the camera to record. Just keep in mind, when using this method, the camera will still record audio, but you'll need to manually slow down the footage in post. If you don't need audio and you'd like the camera to slow down the footage for you, do this instead. Back on page 4 out of 53, go to S&Q settings, then select frame rate settings. Use the column on the left titled Rec Frame Rate to select the playback speed of the footage, and use the column on the right titled Frame Rate to select how many frames per second are actually recorded. Now, when you switch your mode dial to S&Q, the camera will film using the settings you've chosen. In either case, don't forget to adjust your shutter speed according to the frame rate as well. This is a brand new channel, so please like and subscribe. And if you have a second, say hi in the comments. It means a lot, especially in these early stages. All right, have a good shoot. I'm a little busy right now.